Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, you get full LED headlights, tinted rear windows, the black roof. There's also front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got a half leather interior. There's the touchscreen that features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Some of the safety features with this car include blind spot detection, there's lane keeping assistance and speed limit recognition. You also get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control and also a smartphone charging plate. So let's have a look around. Comes with a 1.6 Blue HD. So this car comes with a 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine. It gives you 120 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 18,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.